tractor. He's gonna drift on it. It's a pretty good tractor. Has a few dents and things in it. See backfires. That's a piece of tractor. It's a yard machine. It's pretty good. And it works. Watch it. He's pretty good. It's okay. It's okay. He's crazy somehow. So, he's being an idiot. Alright, come on. Hey, I'm going to show you the rest of the track, guys. It's over through here. That's our garden. Fire pit. Trailer back there on wood. That's that long. Got a bunch of scrap over there. There's brown through here. Trailer. Beautiful ass trailer. Through here. Don't show you your dirt bike. Over through here. That's your rototiller garden. Anyone want anything? Come to us. Those are our ducks. Our rototiller. That's our other tractor. That's everything. This is a dirt bike right here. Pretty nice. A pretty nice dirt bike. It's okay though. Everything. We're gonna set up a trampoline tonight maybe. And then that's a tractor. This thing backfires like a bitch. Pretty good though. Got our bikes. That's my silver bike. That's my boy Andrew Rose's bike. There's our house. That's our grill and Jolly Ranchers. Want any Jolly Ranger, you can have them. That's my friends down there. My quad. That's where I live down there. And my quad's down there. So yeah, that's our neighbor's house.